Hey guys, it's Chris, and today I am here with my first ever beauty haul video. So I just got back from Ulta. I picked up a few goodies. I went for one thing, of course, and then came out with a little bit more than what I planned to get. I wanted to share those things with you here today. Only a few items, so let's just jump right into it. So the first thing, this is actually the item that I actually went to Ulta for in the first place. The brand Philosophy makes a face cream called Hope Renewed in a jar. And I've purchased this before and I used the entire thing up, and I've used other face creams since. It is a little pricey. This 2-ounce jar was $39, but it lasts a long time, like for months. Like you only need a little bit for your face. I use it under my makeup. I use it at night when I take off my makeup. And you know, I'm really big into skincare. I'm trying to preserve all this youth, you know, so I figure it's a good investment. Alright, so on my way out the door, you know how they have the clearance section and everything. I stopped and picked up a black gel eyeliner. I do have an eyeliner pen, but I prefer a gel liner because it's easier to apply and like have more control over when you have a brush. This was regularly $6.99. I got this for $2.94. So this next thing, I don't know if you can see. Alright, so this next thing is for my lashes. I've been playing in it. I want to figure out how to put on freaking false lashes. I'm having the hardest time. Like I tried the full strips and everything. So then I was on my way out the door and I saw that Ardell makes these little trios. So I'm like, okay, if I'm having such a hard time with the full strips, surely I can do the trios, right? It's been a struggle and a half. Okay, you know what, and this happens like every few months. I feel like, okay, I'm ready to try. I'm not frustrated, I'm ready to try again. I'm gonna figure out how to put on these darn lashes, and I'm just over it right now. You know, if you have any tips for putting on lashes, you know, any videos that like made it make sense for you. Like I've seen videos where they're like, oh, you need to look down and do it this way, or no, look up and do it this way. I've tried it all, and at this point I'm like, I just might need a really good fiber lash mascara or something. So on my way into the store, of course, right there in the front, they have the BH Cosmetics display, and they have the collab with It's My Ray Ray. So I had to pick up her liquid lipstick. This is in the, what color is this? This is called Rosy Ray. And I do have it on right now. I just couldn't wait. I put it on in the car, but I really like the color of it. What do you guys think? Like, I really do like pink lipsticks. I like more of a nude lipstick, but you know, I feel like this is a little outside of my comfort zone. It's not like all that obnoxious and bright. This was only $10. I think I'm gonna have this for a long time. This is gonna be in heavy rotation. Picked up a little travel size bottle of Poopery in the little spray container. I am one of those people, when I have to go to the bathroom at work especially, oh my god, I like to freshen up the stall. I cannot stand a stinky bathroom. It's 2018. They have poop spray. This is $4.99. Everyone should be carrying one of these with them. Why don't bathrooms, like, you know, the same way bathrooms have toilet paper there, it's just a given. Poopery should be there also. Nobody wants to smell your poop. And then finally, the final thing I got was a little travel size makeup bag. I'm going on vacation in in 8 days. So I don't want to take my regular makeup bag. This was on sale too, regularly $12. This was in the clearance section for $5.97. It's by Tartan and Twine, Tartan plus Twine. I've never heard of this brand before today, but I like the leopard print. I thought it was cute. And that's it. That's my haul for today. Let me know if you guys have tried any of the items that I hauled today down below. If you want to see another haul video, this is my first one, so I'm kind of, you know, depending on what you guys' feedback is, maybe I'll do another one time. But until next time, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!